Alright guys, welcome back to our Let's Chill of Among Trees. It's an early access game that hasn't fully released yet, and it's a really chill game. And I thought that would be perfect for my channel, because I just want to play some really chill games right now. I know it's a stressful time for everybody, and I hope that this can help everybody out in a different way. So yeah, we're just gonna hop back into it, I guess. We'll go back to perp. Played for almost an hour so far. We have a fishing rod. We caught some fish. We cooked that fish up. And now I think we're going to try and get a map so that we can find some mining places and we can build a pickaxe, definitely. So yeah, we're going to be hopefully getting a pickaxe today, or hopefully for sure getting a map, because if we don't have a map, we're kind of screwed. And I'm not really sure how to get a pickaxe. I think we have to find a schematic somewhere. So yeah, so what's in the inventory? So tools. Maybe we should build a lockpick, so we can open up some of those crates. Definitely. So we need. Let's note this: steel pipe, nails, and bolts. Let's go up and put our fishing pole away. I don't think we'll need that for a while. This game is real loud. This is where I decided to put that. Bolts. 2. Just need one bolt. And we need some nails and steel pipe. Don't have any of that. It's fine. It is. It's okay. We'll just have to scavenge for some of that. Maybe we can craft some of it. We can look and see if we can craft that stuff. Nails, we need steel wire. I think we have a good amount of that, so maybe we can do that. But we can't get steel pipe. So let me get some wire. Alright, let's cook up this fish. Since maybe, I'm guessing it didn't save. Right. It was 2 per one, but I guess I was wrong. Okay, so we got our nails and bolts. We just need 2 steel pipes. Yep. Let's cook up some of this fish and mushrooms. We can have some delicious stew. Let's cook this with... actually, I think we can just do this one by itself. It's a good amount of health. Or I need to run out and get some more sticks. Running kind of low. Ready. Very nice. Sticks. Let's just do this. And we'll just keep the mushrooms in our backpack for consuming at some point. Okay. So we're going to go back to those watchtowers that we had over there in the distance. And we're just going to check them out because we can see if we can find some of these blackcurrant berries or whatnot on our way to those. Yeah, just see if we can find some steel pipe around there. And yeah, I'll be right back. All right, here we are back on the scene. Some rope. Wood. Pipe, I think it is. Very cool. One out of the two that we need. I might need to go to the other place and see what's over there. I think that's it for over here. Don't see anything else flashing. So let's make our way over there. Hopefully I don't get lost this time. And how are your guys' days going? You guys having a good day? I just got off of work. I took a little nap. Tried to at least. Ate. And yeah. Decided to hop on here with you guys. Oh, I kept a little soup on me. That's really dumb of me. Yeah, I just hopped on here because... Oh, perfect. Oh, we can make a map now. Perfect. But yeah, I just sort of hopped on here because my last... I've been playing some Stardew Valley, and those haven't had any views, but this series has had views. And I'm very grateful for you guys watching these episodes. I didn't think anybody was going to watch them, so it's pretty cool to think that people are actually watching them and at least enjoy some of what I do. That's really cool. So we're here. Ah, pipe. Perfect. We can make the lockpick. That's what we needed. I'm not sure if the lockpick is one use only, but I guess we'll find out. I thought it was, but now that I'm thinking about it, no, I don't think it was. So we'll just have to see, I guess. Hope it's not, because that would be a pain in the ass. I think we're going to head back to the house and then call it a night after we build the map, or make the map build. And then we'll be able to build the lockpick too. And then tomorrow, hopefully, we will go out and lockpick all the locks, hopefully. And yeah, we'll see what's inside those after we build everything. Gorgeous house. I mean, it's looking so nice. A nice little cabin in the woods. I'd love to just stay out in one of these. I mean, it looks kind of rough, but the vision's there. Vision is there. Outside. The old rags. We got this. Boom. Pick acquired. We drop one of these. Both of those. Right. Sticks, wood, rope. These. Let's make this map and we'll see where everything is around us, I guess. I guess that's how it works. And boom. Okay. Okay. It's this waterfall. These are the two towers? Okay, cool. And this, I guess, is where the large forest is, the large tree forest or whatnot. I need two. That's good that I found two then. Did it really need two? It did. Good thing we picked that second one up, because I thought it was only one. That's all we can do right now. I don't know how well this works or why this is even in here. But anyways, let's go to sleep. And yeah, see you guys in the morning. Up and early. Starving. Perfect. I normally wake up starving anyway, so it's not a big deal. Saved. Let's go back to these boxes. So we can always press M to look at the 2 towers there. I already know that it's one is directly behind our house and one is to our right. So doesn't really help us there, but when we need to upgrade our house again, we'll know where we'll know where the forest is, and we can get there and get all the supplies we need from that. So that's gonna be cool. Okay, cool. And I still have it. Perfect. So we get to find what's inside of all these boxes. Just a bunch of rags and stuff. Nails, bolts. This will be good for just 3 boxes on this one. This will be good for a later game. So there's a box right here. Yeah. Rope. Got plenty of rope. So this will help us upgrade our house and whatnot. Let's go to the other one now and see what's in there, and then I think we'll call it an episode. This is nice. So yeah, I figured I would record maybe 4 or 5 of these today and just put them out throughout the week for you guys, maybe 2 a day. Just so you guys can have some of this for you guys to watch. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this game. I've been wanting to play another game that just came out yesterday, I think. It's called Death's Door. I feel like that would be a cool game that I can try and run through. So I might get that and do a little let's chill on that too. It's like an RPG, I heard, and the art style looks super cute. And it just came out, so maybe people want to watch it more. Now that it just came out, maybe introduce them to my channel. So yeah, thinking about possibly doing that. So, if you see that on, don't worry. If you like this series, I'm gonna continue to do this series until we run out of stuff to do, and then hopefully the game will be updated a little bit more. But yeah, let's head back to the house, and then I'll let you guys go. In the next episode, I think we're actually going to try and head to this big tree area, pick up some wood from over there or whatever we need. We might start and upgrade the house some more. Maybe start that farm, greenhouse area, and then go from there. So if we have a greenhouse, hopefully we can sustain a better food source than having to go out and get all of our food and just have it there in the house. That's my hope, but I'm not sure how it works. Yeah, we'll have that, and there's our gorgeous house. Looking sexy. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this episode. We did a good amount. We got a map, and we got the lockpick, and we got a lot of supplies for the future whenever we're gonna make this greenhouse. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next episode. Peace.